smuggling attempt from Pakistan in the Arispura sector of Jammu. Now, among the recovered items were AK rifles, 2 pistols, ammunition, and Pakistan-marked cigarettes and bags, thwarting a bid to push the weapons across the border. So another attempt for infiltration, smuggling has been now thwarted by the forces, by the BSF, the Border Security Force. And of course, the security is top-notch right now because of the elections that are happening in Jammu and Kashmir, the assembly elections after 10 years. My colleague Gursimran is joining us live on the broadcast. In fact, he has filed this report from Ground Zero. Take a listen in.
Success for the Border Security Force. BSF has busted a plan of the Pakistan to push a major consignment of the arms and ammunition into the Indian territory. Right now, we are in the Arispura sector international border, where a huge consignment of the arms and ammunition has been recovered by the alert troops of the BSF that were on the duty late last night. When they saw some suspected movement, they challenged the movement, and then they saw that the Pakistani intruder was coming here along with a huge cache of arms and ammunition. And now this ammunition has been recovered. This includes this AK series rifle that the BSF has recovered. This weapon of mass destruction was being pushed into the Indian territory along with the 2 magazines and a total of 17 rounds that they were carrying. Apart from this, the BSF has also recovered this Bretta pistol, which is a Italy-made pistol. Here you will see that it's a Italy-made Bretta pistol that has been recovered. Another pistol has also been recovered by the Border Security Force. This is, though the name has been, this is a 9mm pistol that has been recovered by the BSF troops. And apart from this, these are the rounds that have been recovered by the Border Security Force, along with this cigarette that you see is made in the Azad Jammu and Kashmir, the Chinar tobacco from the Pakistan. They were carrying along with them this cigar, and also this is the sandal of the intruder that has been killed. This comes as a big success for the security forces, because right ahead of the elections in the Jammu region, Pakistan was in bid to push a major consignment of weapons into the Indian territory. That attempt of Pakistan has been foiled, and now this recovery of huge consignment of the narco weapons has taken place. This shows that the alertness of the troops of the BSF on ground, that how BSF is making it very sure that any attempt of the adversary, the Pakistan that is trying to mount the trouble, that can be foiled well within the time. And again, we have seen multiple attempts of the Pakistan being done.
Now, in a fresh controversy coming in from Faizabad. Now, Faizabad MP Avdesh Prasad's son has been accused of kidnapping and assault. While a case has been registered in this matter, Samajwadi Party is yet to issue a statement on this same. Now, developments coming in on this report. Take a look.